Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add company brand logos to your spreadsheets using the image functions. So if you want to make your spreadsheet more professional, in this quick and effortless tutorial, I'll show you how you can add company logos directly in Google Sheets using the image function. So first, you can just find the logo you want online. For example, here I'm going to just find a random company logo. Just open your browser and then find company logo. Let's say I want to use this one. So you can just click on the image and tap on this copy image address, and after that you can just go back to your spreadsheets in here. So you'll need a direct link to the image usually ending in PNG or JPG. After you open the file, you can just click on the cell where you want the logo to appear, let's say this one, and use the image functions. Here just write the function image, and then you can use a double quote and just paste the image URL. This will display the logo directly inside the cell using the link. So just click on enter. You can just tap on allow access first. And this is the image, and you can make it bigger by dragging the column like this. So you can resize the cell to make the logo fit better. Just drag the row or the row and column like this, and it will resize automatically. That's how easy it is to add logos in spreadsheets. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the thanks. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!